Welcome back, everybody. Last video we were able to connect some of the buttons. So we're able to achieve this such that we can go to category. Let me open it in a new tab. Yeah, we can go to category and see the posts which relate to a category. One thing I want to do right now is I want this, I could change this to blog and make this the home button and just take this out because it's currently doing nothing. Very easy stuff. And see how we can improve the entire, look and feel of this application. We go to base, and this is home. We can just delete this. Okay, we don't need it. Comment it out, whichever works for you. And where do we have that? Yes, this. So we want the href for that to be URL home. Let's call this, let's just put it as home. Let's just say blog. Okay, let's see what that does. Refresh, blog. Yeah, so even if I go to category, I can use the blog button to come back. You recognize I made a change in one place and it has the effect all over the application because of template inheritance. You can watch my video on template inheritance. Almost bit my tongue. Okay, categories, blog. Cool. Next, let's see how we can make this work, because right now it's just showing fashion and style, but it would be good if we could just get this to be an anchor tag. Okay, let me show you what I mean. When we go to categories, fashion and style, I want this result to be, for us to be able to have this result when we press a button over here. Very simple, very straightforward. It's pretty straightforward. So let's see, post by category. Under category is the URL. So this is what the href is. I'm pretty much using this. Question will now be, how do we get the category slug? So one step at a time. When you go to the home page, this is what we have. So we have the blog post, we know the blog category. How do we get from the category, get the category slug? How is that going to be possible? Because remember, this category is a foreign key to the blog post, and it actually represents a different table in the database. Let's just try something quick. So this shows the blog post, the category. So let me show you how they're related here. So when you go to the post, which is blog post, it has the category attributes or field name, but that attribute is a foreign key to the category table, and the category table has a category slug name. We can actually just link them all together very easily, and I'm just going to show that. But first, what do we want? This is what we want. This URL takes us straight to the posts for each category. Okay, save ourselves the time. We can copy this entire href and make the necessary correction. So let's do that. Href, come here to home, anchor tag. Now we want this category, we want this to be the word there, so I can just copy this. Okay, so now we want the text here. It's possibly one way we can do it. Let's see. Now you see this category slug, we want it to be, I want to show you what it's going to be. Okay, so if we do, when you use the double curly braces, shows they're using variables. Yeah, if we print that, this is what we want right here. So we're just going to swap this out. Trying to save our time from having to type a lot. Let's see what it looks like right now. Okay, so we have our A tag. This is what we printed, right? So you see we're able to get to the slug from just using dot notations, which is fine. Now let's see how we can bring this button down. I don't know what happened and why it's there. Okay, let me get this. Okay, go back to blog. Now we need to sort out this button. Yep. Alright, you need to come somewhere else. Just try. Should work. But let's see how this behaves. Okay, cool. All we just had to do was put it in the div by itself, and that's it. Looking a bit too close, so we can add just I don't know. We can always improve this, and of course if you have much better design, that would be great as well. Okay, well, so good thing is this works, right? So once you click on that, it takes you right over there. That's good. You can go to the categories and still see the same thing. Next, what we want to do is we should be able to go to the home page, click on the title, click on the title, and it should take us to the blog post. That's what we would do next. Blog post. Then after that, we should work on the commenting system and easy stuff like that. So what have we achieved? We're able to, add a home page button, which was very easy because all we had to do was add the URL tag in the base.html, and that worked out for us. Next, we're able to make this category clickable. Okay, and to do that, we leveraged the URL which has been created before, and we just repurposed it in this case. So starting from the blog post, we're able to get the category and then the category slug, and we substituted it for the category slug attributes that the view function expects. And this was just done to show you what it looks like visually, so I can take it out. Yeah, let me refresh this, and oh, I have to update. Okay, just need to delete the other one. We don't need this. Can take it out as well. Looking good. Okay, let me end this right here. figure out how we're going to link this to the actual blog posts, then how we can add comments and things of that nature. But for right now, thank you. I'll see you in the next lecture.